Every person you meet is quietly carrying something you cannot see. Every person is filled with different kind of insecurities, from the way they look, the way they talk, the way they smile, the money they earn, or even the way they simply exist. And the truth is, these insecurities don't just appear out of nowhere. They are planted slowly, often in the most familiar places. These insecurities don't just come on their own, it comes from their childhood experiences, from the way their parents, friends treat them. A careless comparison, a joke said a little too loudly, a comment that was never meant to hurt but stayed forever. In life, we generally don't think twice before making a joke of something, not realizing how deeply it can impact the other person. What feels like a moment of laughter for one person can become a lifetime of self doubt for another. And sometimes it starts at home. Parents often compare their children to their siblings or other kids, thinking it will motivate them. But instead, it quietly builds a feeling of I'm not enough, a feeling that follows them into friendships, relationships, careers, into every room they walk into. Maybe parents and friends don't actually mean to, but still their actions are often responsible for the fears that cling more and more to a person as they grow up. That fear shows up in ways we don't notice, in hesitation before speaking, in overthinking every small action, in smiling less, dreaming smaller, hiding more. So, before you joke about someone's appearance, before you point out their flaws, before you compare, tease, or dismiss, pause. Because it's important to be mindful of what we say. Not everything is a joke. Words are light when we speak them, but they can become weight in someone else's heart. And the hardest part, it takes years for a person to gain their confidence again once it's shattered. Years to unlearn what was never supposed to define them. Years to rebuild a voice that was once silenced by people they trusted. So choose kindness even when it feels unnecessary. Choose softness even when the world feels harsh. Choose understanding even when you don't fully see their story. Because sometimes the way you speak to someone becomes the way they speak to themselves for the rest of their life.